Hi, this is Ken with Ken's Perfect Jams, and today I am sharing a very special recipe with you. I am sharing my barbecue sauce recipe with you, and at the end of this video we're going to reveal a little surprise, a little hidden game that we've had going throughout these videos that yeah, it should be interesting and it should be fun. Anyway, the ingredients that you're going to need for the barbecue sauce, it's a little involved, but I guarantee you it'll be worth it. Let me go through them for you or with you real quick, and then as always, if you go to the description box below this video and click on the link to the recipe, you can download a copy of the recipe, and then you can have it printed in front of you and you can assemble all the ingredients yourself. It'll help to have a piece of paper with all those ingredients listed. And then we can go through and we can make this ridiculously amazing sauce together. But anyway, so what you will need for this is tomato sauce, tomato paste, Worcestershire sauce, liquid smoke, apple cider vinegar, molasses, honey, salt, pepper, brown sugar, and the spice blend is crushed crushed red pepper flakes, celery salt, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika. Did I say celery seed? I think I did, but yes, celery seed. And then your jam of choice. It's going to take a half a jar of jam. You'll notice today that I'll be using a full jar of a lot of this stuff, but that's because I'm doing a double batch. And I am doing a double batch because I will tell you that in a little bit. Anyway, so go ahead, download a copy of the recipe, and we'll be back shortly. Okay, so now that we have all the ingredients in front of us, it's the whole dump cake thing again. It's really dump them all into the pot. I mean, well, don't dump, but place them all into the pot. We're gonna bring the pot to a simmer. Once it's simmering, we're going to reduce it to low, the heat, and then we're going to let it go for 20 to 30 minutes to give it a chance to mingle and incorporate. So really, I'm just going to start adding all of this stuff to the pot. And once everything's in the pot, I'm going to turn on the heat and away we'll go. That was the tomato sauce. The tomato paste looks like it's going to need some help. There we go, that's good enough for now. I'll get it going and then I'll get a smaller spoon and really get that out of there. This is the Worcestershire and the liquid smoke. The brown sugar, the salt, and the pepper. All of the spices. Some of these jar sizes were absolutely, or bottle sizes were absolutely beneficial to us today, because this is exactly the amount of vinegar that I need. Same with the honey and same with the molasses. Normally it's 4 ounces or half a jar per recipe. As I mentioned earlier, I am doubling the recipe, so the entire jar is going to go in. Yeah. And there we go. I'm going to bring this to a simmer. God, I love the cherry. I'll bring this to a simmer. Once it comes to a simmer, I'm going to reduce it to low, and it will go for, I say 20 to 30 minutes, but it's going to be more like 30 minutes. You just want it to thicken and reduce slightly. You want everything to come together nice and cohesively. You want it to be a sauce, not just a lump of stuff that's in there right now. So here we go, and I shall see you in a bit. For us, it simmered for 36 minutes, but it is at the perfect consistency. Look at that. This house smells amazing. I love this sauce. I absolutely love this sauce. So now we're going to jar it up, we're going to can it, and then we'll be back to say goodbye and to share one other thing with you. See you in a little bit. And here you have the 12 jars freshly out of the canning bath. So it probably didn't surprise you to learn that I make my own barbecue sauce, or that I use jam when I'm making my barbecue sauce. But what probably will surprise you is that with series 3 of our videos, this last set of videos was a series 3 for us. In secret, in the background, I've been running a little contest. This is the 7th video of the series. It's the last video of series 3. The previous 6 videos, and I'm going to have to refer to a list to make sure I get them all. Jam popsicles, the jam-filled chicken breasts, the jam-filled rugelach, the jam-stuffed French toast, the marmalade ice cream, and the ultimate grilled cheese sandwich. Within those videos, if you've noticed, if you've been watching every week like you should, there's been a little message or trivia. There's been some personal trivia buried in each one of those videos. So there's 6 questions. There's 6 questions that I have posed. Those questions will be on the screen right after I'm done talking, so that you can jot them down and so that you can have a reference for them. But the first 12 people to answer those trivia questions correctly, not in a public forum, you're going to have to, the instructions will be on the card with the questions, but I would like the answers to be emailed to me at ken@kensperfectjabs.com. The first 12 people who send me correct responses to those trivia questions will get one of these jars. We'll get a free jar of barbecue sauce in the mail from me. I just, instead of putting these in my pantry, I just figured they'd be a nice little treat for my loyal customers and subscribers. So yes, there is a contest going for a free jar of barbecue sauce. Go back, watch those videos if you haven't seen them. Find the answers to those trivia questions. They are embedded. There's one question and one answer embedded. Well, there's one answer embedded in each of the 6 videos. So you'll have to watch all 6 videos to get all 6 answers. Email me those answers and a jar of this will be on its way to you. Anyway, like always, it's just my way to say thank you. So like always, if you like what you see here, and hopefully you do, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you can learn about our videos as soon as they drop. And each and every week when they do drop, they will drop magically into your box and you'll be able to see them first thing. Once again, this is Ken's Perfect Jams, with a contest for free barbecue sauce. Take care. Looking for your answers, looking for your emails. Take care.